movement. Brilliant, 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 brilliant.
You can't come out. It's that last murder you
I'm gonna go funeral. See, you don't play up to the something.
I am, you are, born from listening, sound as a place of refuge, as communal, in opposition to whatever is threatening in the underbelly of everyday life. What your sound can do, as resistance, as melancholic, as ancestral, as collaborative, as spaces of safety, spaces of secrecy, to you, to us, to we, to come together, this concrete underfoot, this echo disappearing over rooftops, nurturing, holding, a lavishness, a generosity, a freedom. What your sound can do to you, to us. A gift, a light, black diamonds, what a heavenly sight. Calling, connecting, capturing all these lives. These people, stories of dreaming, of imagining. To you, to us. These melodic reminders of familiar whispers seeping from the cracks we were once told were paved with gold. Journals of possibilities and of sorrow at street level. What your sound can do. Night air thick, I remember air heavy, baseline pressure, the sun comes down. I remember rhythms ringing out, no ID, cool and deadly. I remember sirens wailing over winding roads, winding hills. Tensions high, spirits high. I remember a sea of bodies as far as one's vision could extend. Faces, eyes listening, and every once in a while losing themselves in the occasion. With onlookers on the perimeter assessing the lay of the land. Young ones tentatively holding a grip. I remember Baseline pressure, stealing a sharp gasp of air from my lungs. Why, picture rib cages rattling, almighty roar as if the tarmac could bust underfoot. What your sound can do. People climbed into the night, shiny bottles in their hands, baseline pressure in the night, swaying the green trees, shimmers of light, occasionally catching the green leaves. People stomp inside the night. Where am I go? What's the rush? Everybody's embraced but so out of touch. Nighttime is when the things get heavy. You feel alone and you just want somebody. Loneliness whispers desperate measures. What your sound can do.